Aucust believes and rethinks the future custom car culture, and welcome to the whole new version of Aucust Studio. Aucust Studio's new mobile application is rooted in today's urban car culture. Your garage is where the magic happens. Make iconic cars your own with most authentic customization in Aucust Studio. Select any brand you like and change it from stock to stock plus in a blink of eye of time. You can enjoy limitless options to design, create and build your custom car. You could get wide options to create automotive art in detailing and parts section of Aucust Studio. Visually customize your car with top brands in the marketplace. Available equipped with Aucust Studio, build one of kind from side skirt to spoilers and much more. Almost every area of the car is available for customization with Aucust Studio. You could also view your customized car in AR and VR. Once you're done with your customization or service of your car, Aucust Studio's pick-up-drop service will make it easy for your build of your customization as render to reality.